Welcome to Bonnet Pro. Do you need a great spotter? Everybody needs a great spotter. And Surround No Rinse Encapsulating Spotter is that spotter. It includes AFT, which helps prevent oily binders and biofilms from attaching to face fibers. It will clean many things out of your carpet, such as ink, general spots, and it is foolproof. So I could pour the bottle on the carpet. It's not going to hurt the carpet. It's not going to delaminate it, but it's strong enough to take out your most stubborn, dark spots that give other spotters problems. Come see why Bonnet Pro has the best products. Once you own my products, you too will realize why we're your best choice for encapsulation carpet cleaning. You can use this with hot water extraction, with any cleaning method, and it's a fantastic product to help you get the job done faster and easier. Come see Bonnet Pro today.